Yeah, and obviously keeping the hat on all night. Yeah, to be fair, the foundation should be alright. If it's like when you take the hat off, if it's like just press it in place.
Yeah,
I'm thinking like still some sexy glam eyes, but not as glam as what we'd usually do, because usually we do quite strong eyes. But
thingy, didn't it? After my bath.
Skin looks beautiful.
Thank you.
What have you been doing to it? What have you been using?
Number 7. It's so good.
You know what they've been doing? There's a girl on my Facebook actually. Now you got to keep on top of your skin proper, you know.
100%.
So yeah, prevention's better than the cure.
Yeah,
I will say that.
I bet you're already booked up in that, ain't you?
What, for today?
No, for every day.
No, not really. So
Not there yet.
So TikTok has paid me for some stuff, but I'm not quite sure what it's awarded me for. I had like 60 quid in the it saves it in like an account, you know, like a bit like PayPal or Minted. I had 60 quid in it recently, so I was like, yes then.
Nice.
So I don't know if it's from video views as well as, you know, sometimes if I brought a product and I like it and you tag it at the bottom, if someone's brought something. Because I do that with shy, you know.
I know, I could tell you that you didn't know what to do.
I was just titivating the skull today. To be honest, I thought, I'm done now, I need to be done. But yeah, so then the online stuff, so I've got a girl helping me at the minute, and Jackie Rook's daughter.
Jackie Rook. Yeah.
So Faith, she's like really good, knowing a few like, you know, your hooks or tags or sounds and stuff like that. So she's had a few goes, but I don't know whether like...
When you post videos and it comes up, promote your video, £3.9, do you do it?
I think I tried it once on TikTok, but I need
that's
to
what you should do. I told Sammy do the same thing. It's the only way you're going to promote yourself.
Is she had a go yet?
I don't even know.
No.
I don't know. She's so busy.
Yeah, is she?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, I'm glad she's busy. Yeah, like I'm busy enough anyway. It's a nice flow, because at the minute I kind of want to set this online makeup course up. So
can you not?
I think that's
put them on TikTok.
No, you know what it is. I could. I've got a TikTok. Make sure. So I have to ship the item. I'll get the money 2 weeks.
And then not worth it.
And we have to pay staff to make stuff. Do you know? Or like most of the work. I'll do like finishing touches and the admin side of it now. And then so there's 3 of us trying